Hi, my name is Alejandro Rangel, and today's video will be about ultrasonic air leak assessments.
In most manufacturing facilities, air compressors use more energy than any other type of equipment, deeming it the most expensive utility that you can find. Air leaks and system inefficiency are a significant source of wasted energy in a compressed air system, often wasting as much as 20 to 30% of the compressor's output, losing companies significant money. In addition to energy expenses, air leaks can contribute to significant system performance issues, all of which causing the customer unnecessary risk and cost, such as fluctuating system pressure affecting key production processes and tools, excessive compressor capacity needs resulting in higher than necessary energy costs, increased maintenance cost, and decreased service life of equipment due to increased runtime. Key energy reduction initiates include the ability to reduce utility cost, stabilize and/or reduce system pressure, and improve process controls. A McNaughton McKay Services-led ultrasonic air leak assessment will identify and prioritize the air leak repairs needed to ensure efficient operations and reduce energy bills by evaluating all compressed air and/or pneumatic distribution throughout your facility.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you need further information, contact your local sales branch or contact us online.